Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. Welcome back, Rebel Canners. My son asked for dipping oil, so we're going to quickly make some bread dipping oil. This is something that's very popular at our house. You want about a cup of good quality oil. I'm using olive oil. And today I'm going to use Italian seasoning blend. You can make your own blend, but this is quicker. You want about a quarter cup or less. And now you stir and you let it sit for half an hour and you have dipping oil. And that's it.
Yeah, there you go. Good.
2 ingredients, quick, easy, and you can dip your bread in it. Have a great day, Rebel Canners. Thank you. And here is another in the series of Apothecary for you to check out. Be sure to check out this next video we've selected for you. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time, Rebel Canners.